guys, so today is Saturday morning. It's currently 8 a.m. Just got ready for breakfast. I'm kind of knackered, like I'm so tired, and I went to bed early last night. Like I don't know. Itinerary for today is headed to Lamu town to check it out. So yesterday we toured Shella town, and today we're touring Lamu town, and then we're gonna go to Takwa. That's like the plan. We'll see how it goes. I might go to Lamu only, and then come back here and do like a little bit of like content creation, like taking photos and whatnot, because the space is so stunning, honestly, and I want to make the most out of it. I just get like a lot of content I can push for like the next month or so. Let's go get breakfast. To show you the rest of the house, but this is the pool area. There's like a really cute jasmine tree. That's like the other villa that the other girls are staying at. It's like kind of big. It has like its own sitting area, whatnot, and then there's a stairs that connects to the other properties on that side, and then this is like the lounge area. We have the sitting area. There's someone seated there, but it's so beautiful. Then this is the dining area. And there's like this really cool like blue area, which is so stunning. The themes all around the house is so beautiful. Like, I don't know, like every room just gives like a different vibe. And then we're gonna go get ready for the day. But yeah, currently that's what's up. I made it to the museum, getting some education. I think I'm gonna head to the hotel after this and just chill out because I'm feeling so hot. I'm low-key dying. But it was very educational. Like, the history in Lamu is very rich and very, like, everything had a purpose. You know, the way they make houses, everything had like a purpose, and that's so exciting to me. Actually very cool. It's okay. So we're about to leave the town right now. Actually, we're gonna grab some food, leave the town, and then the rest of us are gonna head back to the hotel because I really want to chill. I need to do some work, and then we are going to others are gonna go to like Takwa Island. That's what they're going to do. I really want to see a beach. My makeup is hella glowy. This is mostly sweat, to be honest, not the glow. I want to show you guys this cute bag I got, actually. Like blue sisal bag that matches my abaya that I got from Kikomba. I think 150 or 200. At Bush Gardens. Seafood. How's your chicken? The prawns are so tiny. Compared to the soup, right? Yeah, that's what I just said.
Maybe it's in case you want back at home.
Oh my god, it's like like the prawns don't even taste like prawns.
What do they taste like?
Normal, like.
Oh, you mean fishy smell? Oh yeah, you're having seafood.
I'm having seafood.
I hope you do a story about that. My
I should
seafood story.
experience.
Yeah. Do you not normally eat seafood?
I got sick. We made it back to the villa, and we just got back from Lamu town, had some lunch, came back. I really wanted to visit. I forgot the name, but I'll tell you once I get there. Changed my outfit. I'm in this really cute like flowy polka dot dress. I want to get like nice sitting down. I put on like my orange earrings, my straw hat, and everything. I got a really huge basket. Which you guys saw earlier, but I'll show you guys a better photo, I'll show you a better photo of it, or like a better clip of it. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. We want to be there before the sun sets, and it's almost setting because it's 5, and we want to rush there. Hopefully the other ladies don't make me late. But so far, this is how I look. I'm actually digging this look. I did my makeup in the morning, and the glow, the sweat, I'm not mad at it. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not mad at it. So we're waiting for 3 more of the other girls to get ready. Me and my sister are already ready. One of the other girls is already ready, so we're just gonna head out, have a good time, chill out by there. She said you can have like sundowners there, which is pretty cool. That's what I wanted. I also want to like explore the island because it looks very unique from this end. So yeah, it doesn't look as populated. So we made it to the other side, and it is so beautiful. Let me show you guys. So they have these cute like sunbeds. So we did come to check out the Majlis, like I mentioned, and it's like a resort type of place. Basically, it's like a house that they renovated into a resort, and the place, it's like my dream home, guys. It's like very minimal. See, that's like one of the villas, and it's so stunning. So we just talked to the manager, and he said we can come back tomorrow and get like nice photos and all that stuff. So I'm pretty excited to come back tomorrow. And I didn't know how Lamu was so stunning, but it is very stunning. So someone's calling me right now, so I'm gonna go see what he wants. Oh, okay, so it's currently 11:30 and I headed to the Majlis to shoot. That's why I'm just kind of funky, kind of nice. It's like all white. Let me show you my outfit. Actually, there's a mirror here. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I'm dressed in like a white blouse, and these pants that I got in toy, like last minute, very like nude beige, and then I'm just dressed in like white simple like colors. I feel like this would look so good against like the beach sand, the water, if that makes sense. But this is my outfit. I'm gonna insert photos obviously, but that's what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna go shoot like 3 different looks there, and obviously I have to wear my sun hat. I didn't put on sunscreen today because I want to tan a little bit, because it's very, I don't know, I feel like I haven't tanned enough yet, and usually when I come to the coast I usually tan like insanely. I just packed a few, like I packed late, so I didn't have time to like overthink it and whatnot, and I didn't like go out shopping for like new stuff and whatnot. I know a lot of people do that when they go out for vacation, but for me it's like I'm not gonna, like I probably won't wear these clothes again, even if it's just a photo. So it's very, I feel like it's very wasting. It's not practical to me. I mean, it's not very sustainable. So I didn't buy clothes. I just found clothes in my closet that I never wore, or like of such beachy vibes, and just decided to dress those up. So I just changed. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I just changed into the second outfit. I'm wearing this lovely abaya by Sokra Salah, and we are going to take photos now. This place is so beautiful, by the way. It's so stunning. Like, Look at this. Wow. Final day in Lamu. My time here has come to an end. I'm sorry, don't mind me. We're about to leave. Our bags are ready to head off to the airport. We were just taking a few photos here in like the house before I left, like my final outfit. The dress from day one. It's very nude, very nice, very like beach vibes. I'm so sad. This was probably it was so beautiful. I didn't expect Lamu to be this stunning, you know what I mean? Like, I will see you guys on my way to the airport.